What is the nature of time? This is the question of our today video. Time is a concept that has puzzled philosopher, scientist, and thinker for centuries. In everyday life, we perceive a time of continuous flow from the past through the present and into the future. However, its true nature is far more complex. In physics, time is often considered a dimension similar to space in the theory of relativity developed by the Albert Einstein. According to relativity, time is not absolute. It can be affected by gravity and the speed at which an object is moving. This leads to phenomena like the dilation, where time appears to move slower for an object moving at high speed or near a massive gravitational source. Philosophically, time has been debated in terms of whether it exists independently of the mind. Absolute time of its merely a construct of human consciousness. Relational time, additionally,